Good morning, students. How are you, students? Students, as you know, your civics is going on chapter 6, understanding media, and yesterday we were discussing about media and technology in modern time, a different technology, media published in a different way, and media and money also. And we are discussing about the power of the media, how media play an important role, and what is the use of the media, what is the misuse of the media, how few people use the media, misuse the media, and we all the point we have to discuss here. And for today topic is media and democracy. Media and democracy. Media and democracy. The important point we have to discuss here, in a democracy we have a different type of power. So media also have got a different type power also. No one can bound it to media. No one can cover to media. The media, and with this also you have to understand about the media. Media also have to play an important role in a democracy. Media plays a powerful and important role in a democracy. It is one of the pillars of the democracy. In the yesterday I have told to you about fourth pillar of the media. The media is a fourth pillar in our democracy. The media report various news, views, and discussion about national and international events. Means we are living at home and we can get all the news. What is going on in country or another country, means we get a national news, international news, and about all the events. We are sitting at home and getting all the types news. And if the media praise the policy and advertise of the government, it create a favorable impression of the citizen. If a news story blame a government or criticize the government, it has a negative impact on people. People may come and if media show about against the government, so people come out the street and demonstrate against the government and organize a demonstration, dharna, strike, means all the things, and organize a public meeting. Also, all the things via the media can ruin electoral process of the government. Therefore, it is impartial, a balanced media report in a favor of our democracy, and one and the same news report can be presented in a different way. It can be blown out of proportion of highlight a positive or negative aspect. Both sides you have to analysis the news and events should be done, and the conclusion also should be left to the public. Means media also play an important role in a democracy. And student, with this you have to understand about media. Media play an important role, and media are a very good support system to air your views, so that with the concerned government personnel, if anyone politician or officer is not listening to your matter through the media, you can get a news through the media you can read the news message to the politician or government who are beyond the reach of the man on the road. With the advancement of technology, one can even send video clip also event that would normally go unnoticed by the people in power. We have the example of attack on a twin tower in America when 9th upon 11 the events had been done in America. We get a news at once immediately after the attack. Immediately after the attack, live picture of the planes crashing into the tower could be seen on television screen. And this is the technology of the media. The most essential aspect of the media is that there should be truth in whenever public are aired to the television. Means the responsibility of the media to publish a true news. Not only TRP. Present time more interesting news is going on related to the cases of the Mumbai actor, actress and drugs matter. So the responsibility of the media to show the true news to the Indian citizen, to the people, what is true. And we can see on television also news channel, electronic media. It should have the image of an absolutely transparent organization, though at times the press had to censor some portion of the news in accordance with views that might upset the public or affect adversely, and the media should be accountable for what they publish. Means all the things the media is responsible, the published by the media, the responsibility also should take to the media. And in a democracy, everyone having a right, so media also having a right, but the true news had to publish to media. You know, student, you know when radio was invented? Radio was invented by in 1911. And about television, who invent television, TV? J. Baird. And then in 1928, radio invented by G. Marconi in 1901, and television was invented by J. L. Baird in 1928. Note down this point. Have you noted? Now you know student, the first radio broadcast in India 1927. First radio broadcast in India 1927 and first television telecast in India in 1969. Okay. Now student, your last topic is of this chapter understanding media. Last topic is setting agendas. Setting agenda. Which type agenda have to set up? You know student, the media report only those stories or news which people desire to read or see on TV. It is well aware of popular, fascinated for stars, celebrities, rich and famous. Therefore, these people are always in news. Means popular people, hero, heroine, actor, actress, celebrity, rich people and famous people. These are people always in news. And we can see, in present time, we can see the news related to Sushant murder case and drugs related about actor and actress. So annual sport made of your school may not a person or celebrity as your chief guest, then would be news. The media choose only those issues that would influence people's thought and action. Means what people thought and which type the popularity. If your sports game is going on and any popularity, any celebrity is coming there and inauguration done by the celebrity, then the media also covers all the news. That is why it is said that the media set the agenda. That is why it is said that the media set the agenda. It decides what is newsworthy and not. You know, on most count the media choose to bring and sensible news, and the famous actor wedding would be displayed on the front page. Means the marriage has been done of Virat Kohli in Italy. The front page, and which type sari they wearing and dresses and gown, all the things we can see the main page of the newspaper. Front page. What is this student? The issue of water pollution in the same city would be unnoticed, and in few cities the water pollution is a high level of high, but unnoticed by the media. A big fashion show was held in Mumbai with all pump and show star and style. It was a style by this actor, actress, and this celebrity. So, student, 100 ashrams were demolished in Mumbai. Thousands of people were rendered homeless, but no one took notice about this matter. Only media show the fashionable things and want a TRP. Getting a TRP, only TRP. Popularize the news channel. In a democracy, it is important that the news that reach the public is accurate, impartial, and unbiased. Media create and form public opinion. So, student, this agenda set by a media, which type news they popularize and to whom popularize. A simple person can popularize a singer of the Kolkata. She was a beggar and popularized by singing a song very good way. So popularized in a few days. So student, you can understand media set agenda and popularize to anyone, and unhealthy and distort public opinion, bad for democracy. Media close relationship with the business world result in bad reporting of balanced world view review hard to come and nowadays. Therefore, it is responsibility of the media, and media also not so blindly the react. Means the media responsibility to getting a fact things, what is a fact, and then publish in newspaper and news channel. Also, it should be avoid bias of one-sided view, giving sensational and exaggerated views, focusing issues that are not significant in our lives. Means it is a media responsibility so correct things and it is so to light to all the people. Means a common people also an important person. Means what is the true things. All the responsibility media had to show, and a fashion celebrity and all the things. In this way, local media also has been given in your book, student, and in this way your chapter has been finished. You know local media, local news channel also we have. Local government interior area of India have come forward to start own newspaper and magazine. This is called the local media or local news channel. So student, in this way your chapter understanding media has been finished, and in this chapter you have understood about the power of the media and money, media, democracy and media and setting agenda. All the points you have understood. And the power also media, what people want, what media want to show, what people want to see, what media want to show. Okay student? So student, your chapter has been finished. Note down your homework and your question answer exercise also. You will get through PDF in a group, and note down your homework. how media does play an important role in a democracy. What is censorship? What is censorship? Means what is the use of censorship? What is the work of censorship? You have to say about all the point of the censorship. Who invented TV and television and when? Who invented television and when? Your first homework, how media does play an important role in a democracy. Second homework, what is censorship. Third homework, who invented TV and when. Note down your homework. You noted, student? Okay. Then student, thank you for the day and we will meet again in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.